Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to work remotely on Adobe Lightroom, and to do so it's very simple. Actually, it's a little trick that I'm going to show you. Now say you want to export this file to someone else with the settings and the presets as a Lightroom file that they can open in their computer, and they will find the same settings that you have put in it. So what you're going to do is just to go to File here and then go to export, and here it's very important that in the image type you just select original plus settings, and here in the file naming it doesn't really matter. So yeah, that's it. So you go to image type, original plus settings, and then click on export one photo, and then the other person that will receive this file, so you just have to send it to them by any way that you want, either email or just WeTransfer or Swiss transfer or whatever. So they will download the file and open it in Lightroom and find the work that you have done previously on it. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.